Hi, my name is Anthony. Have you ever wondered what you need to do to attract abundance and prosperity into your life? Have you ever wondered if a simple mental switch can enable you to manifest everything you desire? This simple function that is inside you now ready to be activated, is what will make you financially better and attract the abundance you have always dreamed of. Once you have activated this mental shift, you will feel energized, uplifted, and reborn, as all your regrets, negative thoughts, and personal failures are washed away by a healing tide. You will feel more confident, joyful, and motivated than ever before as you begin to vibrate at a higher frequency. And once you start emitting positive energy, you can have unlimited access to the modern world's most cherished source of energy, a financial life you've always dreamed of. Wealth Mind Switch is the only audio track that is proven to activate the wealth magnet in your mind, and it does it effortlessly and in just 12 minutes. I need to warn you that some people are cloning the sales page and causing some people to lose money, so that you do not enter the wrong page. I left in the description of this video the official website of this program. There your purchase is safe and you have a 60-day guarantee. This means that you have 60 days to decide whether Wealth Mind Switch is really effective, and if you are not satisfied, simply request a refund on the site. The reality is that it has never been harder to get ahead in life, no matter how hard you work. As the cost of living rises and bills and food prices skyrocket, it is difficult for even some of the most successful people to keep their heads above water. So if you're having a hard time right now, believe me when I say that it's not your fault. But now you know what could happen to you if this mindset shift were activated. You could be one of the thousands of other people to experience this wealth mindset shift to completely transform their lives. If you are interested in knowing more details or interested in purchasing, I left the official website link in the description of this video.